Have you ever noticed your battery draining fast or ads showing places you just visited without opening any app? That's usually because apps are using your location in the background. So today I'll show you how to check which apps are tracking your location even when you're not using them, why this matters for privacy and battery life, and how to control it. Okay, I'll also show you steps how to do it on Android phones and iPhones, all Android and iPhones. So when apps use location in the background, they can drain your battery. They can track where you go all day. They can collect personal movement data and share location data with advertisers. Some apps need this, like maps or ride apps, but many don't. Knowing how to check and control this keeps your phone faster, safer, and more private. Alright, so the steps are similar in all Android phones. So I'll do just one video for all Android phones, okay? So go to settings, and you scroll down to security and privacy, this, and you scroll down to go to privacy if your phone shows another tab for privacy. Otherwise, go here to more privacy settings, and then you find permission manager here. All right, and here you select location. All right, and then you find where it says allowed all the time. You see this say allowed all the time. If I scroll down, I will see a different one, so that will say allowed only when in use. So now we're doing allowed all the time. All right, so here you will see all the apps using your location in the background. Okay, so if any app doesn't need this, you can tap it. Let's say this app doesn't need it. I'm just using an example. It really does need it. Then if app doesn't, tap that and change the permission from allow all the time. You change it to this one, to allow only while using the app, or maybe don't allow, depending. All right, so this instantly improves privacy and battery life. Okay, now for iPhones, all models, okay, you go open your settings and you tap security and privacy, and you select location services. You scroll to see apps. Tap any app showing always. If any app doesn't need constant tracking, change it to while using the app or never. All right, so real life examples will be apps that may need background location will be Google Map, Uber, or Lyft. Emergency or safety apps that usually don't need this, like gaming apps, flashlight apps, wallpaper, shopping apps. So if a random app is tracking you all day, that's a red flag. Okay, now you know how to check which apps are using your location in the background and how to stop unnecessary tracking. This one setting can protect your privacy and extend your battery life. So just take 1 minute today to review it and share this video with someone who needs it.